welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review in store for you as we dive deep into the world of mid-range smartphones with the Infinix Zero 35G. Infinix might not be the most renowned brand in the market, but they've been making significant strides lately. The question on everyone's mind is, does the Infinix Zero 30 justify the buzz it's generating? Let's find out in this comprehensive review. Design. The Infinix Zero 30 greets us with a sleek, metallic finish that shimmers with changing light angles. Its elegant design boasts curved edges on both the front and back, seamlessly blending into a slim frame. Despite a somewhat oversized camera bump, the phone feels sturdy and durable. Plus, it offers ingress protection with an IP53 rating, adding an extra layer of security against the elements. Display. Now, let's talk about that stunning display. The Infinix Zero 30 sports a 6.78-inch curved OLED screen with a 1080p resolution and an impressive 144Hz refresh rate. This faster refresh rate, compared to the common 120Hz, results in smoother swiping and scrolling experiences. The display's brightness peaks at 470 nits with manual settings and reaches around 760 nits in auto mode. While it's commendable, it does fall short when compared to some competitors. However, the OLED panel delivers excellent contrast and offers potential for accurate color calibration with some adjustments. Audio. Moving on to audio, the Infinix Zero 30 doesn't disappoint. It features a stereo speaker setup with DTS support, delivering crisp and clear sound quality with robust mids and pleasant highs. If you want to experience it firsthand, we've included a link for you to listen. Biometrics and storage. The phone's fingerprint reader resides under the display and performs accurately and swiftly. In terms of storage, the Infinix Zero 30 comes equipped with 256 GB of internal storage, although it lacks support for microSD card expansion. Software. Running on top of Android 13, the Infinix Zero 30 features Infinix's customized XOS interface. While it deviates from the stock Android experience, it still maintains a relatively clean interface. Notable features include a separate notification shade and control center, an always-enabled app drawer, and robust customization options through the theme engine. Performance. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 820 chipset, a 5G-capable processor. While it's essentially a rebranded Dimensity 1100, it offers solid performance, especially within its price range. It handles day-to-day tasks with ease, and less demanding games run smoothly. However, extended usage may lead to thermal throttling, affecting performance. Battery life and charging. The Infinix Zero 30 packs a 5000 mAh battery, which should promise excellent battery life. However, it earns an endurance rating of 102 hours in our tests, which is good but not exceptional. On the plus side, it supports fast charging with the included 68W charger, capable of charging from 0 to 72% in just half an hour. Camera. Now, let's delve into the camera capabilities. The Infinix Zero 30 boasts a 108-megapixel main camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a depth sensor on the back. On the front, it features a remarkable 50-megapixel selfie camera with autofocus and an LED flash, making it a standout feature for selfie enthusiasts and vloggers. It's worth noting that the selfie camera can even record in 4K, catering to those who desire top-notch video quality. Main camera. The main camera, although binning pixels to produce 12-megapixel photos, delivers commendable results. It captures wide dynamic range scenes with mostly accurate colors and decent detail. Low-light performance is surprisingly good, maintaining clean photos with ample detail and balanced lighting. It also offers a dedicated night mode, further improving low-light photography, although it may apply excessive sharpening. Ultrawide camera. The ultrawide camera impresses with its detail and dynamic range, making it a viable choice for various scenarios. Low light performance, while slightly hazy, benefits significantly from the dedicated night mode, enhancing detail and reducing noise. In 4K video recording, the ultrawide camera shines, delivering impressive quality with vibrant colors and minimal noise. Selfie camera. The 50-megapixel selfie camera stands out as one of the phone's highlights. It produces sharp and detailed photos with natural colors and appealing skin tones. It's also capable of recording high-quality 4K videos, making it a suitable choice for vloggers. However, there's no electronic stabilization in 4K, and recording at 60 frames per second enables skin smoothing, which cannot be disabled. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Infinix Zero 35G is a mid-range smartphone that packs quite a punch. It offers a sleek design, a high refresh rate display, impressive audio, and a capable camera system, especially for selfies. While it's not without its minor flaws, it delivers excellent value for the price. If you're in the market for a mid-range device, the Infinix Zero 30 is certainly worth considering. Alternatives. If you're looking for alternatives, you might explore options like the Samsung Galaxy A54 or the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro. Each of these devices has its own set of strengths and may cater to your specific preferences and needs. Thank you for joining us in this in-depth review of the Infinix Zero 35G. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, we'll see you on the next one.